This is 2026, and I thought everybody knew how to prompt AI until I was proven wrong. In the last 2 years, I have trained over 700 students, professionals, and business people on AI literacy. And there have been a recurring pattern with these people. Now, I discovered that there are three classes of people when it comes to AI prompting. By the way, let me ask, what is AI prompting? AI prompting is the way you ask AI questions to get the expected result. But we need to know one thing. Shabby prompting leads to shabby reply, shabby answers, not detailed, not thorough. But detailed prompting gives you the exact desires of your heart. Like AI know me, AI knows me better. Of course it does. It knows you use it daily, right? So, but when you don't ask it the right question, you won't get the right answers. So that is what prompting AI means. Now, I discovered that there are three classes of people. The first class are the set of people who still uses AI like a regular search engine. Bro, what do you mean? Some persons still use AI like regular search engine, like where is the restaurant around me, the fastest way to go to school, and all that. You're under using AI, but you can call that an instructional prompt, right? There's the second set of people who know what to ask AI, but they don't know how to organize their thoughts, their frame of mind to ask this question. Now, there is also the third set of people who do not know how to ask AI the right question. This video, I am going to show you the steps and the better way to ask AI effectively. That is effective prompting. Number one, I need you to understand that the AI models like your ChatGPT, your Gemini, and your Claude has a voice instruction prompt. What would this do for you? If you're not good with typing, give AI the brief of what you have in mind and ask it to help you with an effective prompt based on this and this and this that you want to do. First, you need to tell AI who you are, tell it what you're doing or you're struggling with, and tell it what you intend to achieve as a result. So don't just state your intentions without asking it to help you arrive at a particular result. Typical example is, I'm a student. I am struggling with understanding SORT. Can you help me break down the concept of SORT in mathematics in a way that a 5-year-old can understand? Do well to use relatable examples. So in this way, AI will understand that, okay, the problem there is solved, and the next thing it needs to do is to break it down in the simplest of form for you to understand it, right? So that is the best way. Now, once you've organized this, then send it as a prompt. Remember, you can use a voice prompting. Use the voice feature on your on this AI tools I mentioned and talk to it, then send it, then get an effective prompt. Now, when you get an effective prompt, you will see the possible areas you might not have even considered while you were typing the basic prompt in your head. No matter how good you are a prompter, AI will always come out with the angle that you never even thought of or imagined. This is how you should be prompting in 2026. See you in my next video.